Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rainbow text on your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application. Swipe to right to open up the Instagram camera. Then you can either create a video or take a photo from this, and you can also select a video or a photo from your gallery. For that, swipe up, select the picture which you want to add. For example, if I want to add this picture, now in order to add rainbow text, I'll simply tap on the text icon at the top. After that, you simply have to type in the text. For example, I'm adding color. Once you are done, you simply have to select this one color first. Tap on the color wheel at the top and select the color which you want to change. For example, if I want to add this color, then you have to select next one, and again you have to select the color of that text and then tap on the last one and select the color of that, then tap on done. Now as you guys can see that the rainbow text has been added. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to add rainbow text on your Instagram story. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.